On November 25th, Kaiser will be bringing you 3 different folding knife versions, ranging from budget-friendly versions to high-end value, and these will offer all sorts of ranges for all different users. These 3 new folding knife models will be available on all of Kaiser's sales channels, including the budget-friendly Shot, the Exist, and the high-end KI series Hawk. The Shot is based on a bullet, and it has a thumb opening mechanism, is really good for one-handed use, and the knife itself is 6.95 inches with a 2.88 blade length and 154 cm steel, as well as a black PVD coating. It's a really light 2.3 ounces, so overall it's just really good for everyday carry, and it's just a really good knife to use. The handle is crafted from an aluminum alloy with an aged copper and bronze textured finish. The coppered color surface treatment not only adds a unique visual style, but also makes the knife feel more comfortable in your hand. As a budget-friendly folding knife, the Shot is only $66.99, and it is an excellent value for the price and has great practicality. Whether for everyday carry, light use, or mild outdoor activity, the Shot is the knife for you. So don't wait, pick up this stylish and friendly usable knife now. The Exist is also a folding knife with a lightweight design. So the knife is featuring a micarta handle with a tire tread pattern. The knife itself is 6.79 inches with the blade being 2.8 inches. It has a Nitro V steel blade, and it also has a black titanium matte finish. Another version of the Exist features the 154 cm steel blade with a satin finish. Paired with a black aluminum alloy handle, it also comes with a popular deep carry pocket clip, along with long jimping, long finger quill design, making it an extremely practical everyday carry folding knife. If you're on a budget, both the everyday use Shot and the functional Exist are great choices for light daily tasks. The next one is a KI series Hawk, which is a very meticulously crafted high-end folding knife. And what makes it unique is the Snap Echo liner lock system. So you can see that Snap Echo system here. And what also makes it unique is what makes it. So the materials and mechanisms are the titanium, the detente pillars, and the multi-row bearings. So in addition, another unique feature is the clicking sound that the knife has. So that clicking sound just has an incredibly smooth action and just really makes it easy to use. The dual stop pin of the Snap Echo system makes for a very highly reliable use and makes it so that the knife is very stable and it won't unlock very easily. So it's a very reliable knife and just overall very safe to use. The overall length is 7.98 inches with the blade being 3.41 inches. The blade is a mirror finish DLC M390 steel, and the titanium alloy handle features a unique hawk element pattern design. You can see really lovely there, which is not only adds visual appeal, but also enhances the grip, ensuring a stable hold during use. This version features a more sophisticated and modern grade titanium alloy handle. The blade is made from pearl stone-washed S45 VN steel and is equipped with a sheep's foot blade, double row ball bearing system, and other premium features, including exceptional sharpness and a very ultra smooth opening. So you can see that opening is really good. And then it also has a secure locking mechanism. The Hawk's design emphasizes functionality, but also emphasizes beauty, aesthetics, and overall use. This is the perfect knife for enthusiasts, for outdoor adventurers, for knife collectors, for anybody who just really wants a great knife. In our preparation for the sharing season, we are launching many new knives during this November year. We are also planning on bringing back many older knife models that received popular rave reviews. And we are also launching new models that are highly anticipated during the sharing season. Let's come together to give thanks, share, and create wonderful memories during this holiday season. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, whether you are hanging out with family, or you are in the kitchen creating masterpieces, a small knife is an essential companion during this holiday season.